Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, so in this video we are just going to be discussing the anchored VWAP trading strategy. Okay, now this video explores how anchoring your VWAP to market events can sharpen your technical analysis and improve your trade timing. All right. Now, anchored VWAP offers a dynamic view of price and volume, providing a more contextual indicator than the traditional VWAP. All right. Now, just gonna click on this VWAP, volume weighted average price. So we can see something like this, right? Now, the VWAP, or volume weighted average price, is actually a tool that calculates the average price of an asset weighted by volume over a specified period. Okay? Now, what sets the anchored VWAP apart? All right, I'm just going to open VWAP and I'm going to click on this auto anchored, right? Or anchored VWAP. I'll just click on anchored VWAP, right? So now, I'm just going to go with the auto anchored. So what sets the anchored VWAP apart is its ability to start calculations from a specific, anchor point, such as a significant high, right, low, or pivotal market event, basically. Now, this approach provides a clearer picture of the market's behavior following that event, okay, highlighting trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, let's just quickly break down how to set an effective anchor point, okay? The choice of anchor is critical, so look for events that fundamentally change market sentiment, right? Now, this could be major news announcements, okay? So let's just quickly go to Forex Factory as one of the popular sites that a lot of traders use, right? So we're just going to be going to Forex Factory to to look at events, right? So for example, just click on this month. So you might want to look for events that fundamentally change market sentiment. You can look at, major news events. You can from a Forex Factory calendar, you can look at several news announcements, economic reports, or significant technical swing highs or lows. All right. Now, once an anchor, guys, in terms of the technicals, you can look at highs and lows as well. Once an anchor point is established, the VWAP is recalculated starting from that moment, integrating all subsequent price and volume data. Okay, now this technique allows traders to see how the market has reacted from a known point of significance, making it easier to identify support and resistance levels. Okay, next, you want to consider how the anchored VWAP integrates with other technical indicators. Okay, so combining the anchored VWAP with trend lines, all right. Of course, trend lines are very important on every trader's chart, right? They play a very key role. Trend lines play a very key role in technical analysis. Okay, you can also add your moving averages. Actually, you can add moving averages, for the purpose of confirmation, right, and getting idea of as to prevailing trend and all of that. So moving averages also play a key role, right? And you can also add oscillators such as the relative strength index or any other oscillator of your choice. All these can provide a multi-dimensional perspective on market trends. So for example, if the price is trading above the anchored VWAP, all right, so if the price is trading above the anchored VWAP, okay, I'm just going to, let me just add again that VWAP to the chart. So if the price is trading above the anchored VWAP, right, and and a moving average confirms that upward move. So now I'm just going to add moving average again. Sorry about that. Okay, so now and then the moving average also confirms the moving average confirms the bullish move, right, perhaps above those indicators. This could suggest a strong bullish trend. Okay, conversely, if the price falls below the anchored VWAP while other indicators point to weakening momentum, this might signal a potential reversal. Now, the key is to use these tools in unison, okay, allowing for a more comprehensive market analysis. In practice, the anchored VWAP can be used to gauge market sentiment throughout different trading sessions, okay? By monitoring the price's relation to the anchored VWAP, traders can identify when the market is overextended or if a retracement might be underway. Now, if the price consistently stays above the anchored VWAP, it indicates that buyers are in control, right? On the other hand, repeated tests and rejections of the anchored VWAP level can suggest a lack of conviction among buyers, okay? Highlighting potential areas of support or resistance, right? Now, implementing the anchored VWAP trading strategy requires a disciplined approach. Begin each trading day by reviewing key market events that might serve as potential anchor points, okay? Once an anchor is selected, set your indicator accordingly and monitor how the price interacts with it. Now, over time, patterns will emerge, patterns that reveal the true underlying market sentiment. The anchored VWAP not only provides a dynamic average, but also acts as a visual guide for where the market has found equilibrium since the anchor event. Okay. Now, another important aspect is understanding the role of volume in this strategy. Now, volume is the lifeblood of the anchored VWAP. It weighs the average, right, making high volume areas more significant in the overall calculation. This means that during periods of heavy trading, the anchored VWAP becomes a robust indicator of market sentiment. Analyzing volume alongside the anchored VWAP can help confirm trends, okay? For instance, a price movement accompanied by high volume and strong anchored VWAP alignment is more likely to be sustainable than a move on low volume. So let's just say, let's just add on, volume data, right? Let's just add on volume data to the chart. So whenever you have, high volume, right? For example, it can help you to confirm the signals given by the anchored VWAP, right? Regularly reviewing your anchored VWAP settings also and comparing them with against historical data can provide insight into the model's effectiveness. Now, backtesting different anchor points and adjusting your strategy based on real-world performance is a crucial part of refining your approach. The more you practice, the better you become at identifying the optimal moments to set your anchor, thus enhancing your overall market analysis. Now, let's just talk about integrating risk management with the anchored VWAP trading strategy. While the indicator provides valuable insight into market behavior, it should always be used as a part of a broader strategy that includes well-defined risk parameters. For example, setting stop loss orders and position sizing according to your risk tolerance is essential when using any technical tool, okay, including the anchored VWAP. Now, this way, even if the market behaves unpredictably, you are protected from excessive losses. Before wrapping up, here's a quick recap. The anchored VWAP trading strategy offers a dynamic method to evaluate market trends by anchoring the volume weighted average, right? By anchoring the volume weighted average price to key events. Okay, so this provides a more detailed and contextual view of market behavior, which when combined with other technical indicators can significantly enhance your analysis. By carefully choosing your anchor points, integrating volume data, and applying sound risk management, you can build a robust framework that can adapt to changing market conditions. Now, if the insights shared in this video have added value to your trading strategy, please click the like button and subscribe for more expert insights into Forex trading, technical analysis, and market trends. Your engagement helps build a community of informed traders. Thank you for watching. Stay analytical, stay strategic, and keep refining your approach to market analysis.